them to the timpani. These are the largest drums in the whole orchestra, and they usually sit right at the back in the middle, known as the king of the orchestra for their big sound, and usually playing the bass lines. They're tuned with a pedal which you push down, which means you can do exciting things like this. And like I say, usually playing the bass line, but because of those pedals, you can have a little bit of fun and play tunes that you might recognise. You'd usually have a pair of timpani, two, sometimes a third timpani, sometimes even a fourth or even a fifth timpani. There are some pieces which are even written for up to 12 timpani, so you have lots of different notes. We've heard what they can do with their tuning, but you can also play the timpani in lots of different ways. So you'll see sometimes timpanists playing a note and then covering it, and this is called dampening. It stops the sound from going on too long. That's quite different to quite a lot of other instruments in the percussion family, which usually have quite a short sustain. So with the timpani, what's lovely is that you can play a note and it keeps going for ages and ages and ages. But you can also play them with really short notes, fast and also quiet notes. My favourite thing is definitely that glissando we heard earlier on.